The one thing that is kind of on my bucket list right now is I want some car or a bike that I can hold on to and then they'll pull me for like 100 meters or so. So that's the only thing that's left right now. Like if I can get someone to do that, me coming down at 6 a.m. 100% worth it. Hey yo, what's up? Okay, so it is 6 a.m. right now and I just ended up buying these wheels. Now, the only problem with them is that they move. So I need washers that should go between the wheel and the nut. So we'll see how that goes, but before that I'm just gonna go skate right now and let's see if rubber wheels actually make a difference when you skate. Let's go. Okay, so right off the bat, I definitely notice a little bit of difference. One of them being that it literally picks up any sort of dirt or gunk or any sort of junky material that might be on the floor. So that means that I cannot wear these and then come back into the house. So I'm gonna have to remove them at the door itself and then walk in. So this thing right here, this thing is a lighting panel of some sort that I made. We'll see how it works. This is so much quieter than what I had because like when you look at it from a like simple perspective, just because this is softer, that means that I can definitely have a much better time trying to skate overall. And when I came out of my society, usually it's like I sound like a tank that is rolling out of there. Today it felt like a bike that's coming out of there. So huge improvement. Let's keep going. Okay, so I've been skating for like 5 to 10 minutes now. One thing that I definitely realize is my foot hurts a lot more for some reason. No idea the exact reason, but let's say rubber wheels are definitely softer, so they do go give you less vibrations. But something that they definitely do is make it harder to roll on any sort of surface. Okay, so now we're in some random garden. It is kind of on the way. I have no destination in mind right now. So overall I'd say that this is definitely super fun. Also I'm really happy that these don't make a lot of noise, because if they did, it would be a little awkward trying to kind of explain to people what I'm doing here. But because these don't make a lot of noise, I'm just gonna take like one circle of it and get out. Once again I'm on some random street, but the flow here is so good, like you don't even have to push a lot when you wanna skate. So I'd say this is like the best place overall if you wanna skate. This is so awesome because I swear to God, even the cops love me. I waved to them and they waved back saying "Kaise ho, kaisa din ja raha hai" and stuff. Awesome man, I love India bro, this is so awesome. Okay, I think I'm gonna ask an auto wala if I can hold on to the side of their auto.
My mind is focused and I'm ready to go, ready to go. I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go, ready to go. Nah, nah.
Holy shit, it's awesome. Thank you. Hi. That was so awesome. I'm gonna ask another auto while it's possible. Bro, this is literally awesome. Like if
Oh yeah.
I don't know, that was so cool.
Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby.
चलेगा आपको? तो मैं छोड़ दूँगा. Thank you.
Marty Mark, watch the way I start up. I've been going hard.
god!
Just says my name if you wanna wait. To let you
Bro,
know
this is the fastest I have gone.
check the scope. I'm only losing control. I like losing control. I'm feeling my flow.
Oh my god, this is awesome, man!
Ready to go. Nah, nah.
It's one of those kind of nights. Thank you. I slingshotted myself. Thank you. Auto wala said this chill, bro. What the hell? मैं आपके ऑटो का साइड पकड़ लूँ चलेगा? थैंक यू. चलो भैया.
Always winning, check the scope. I'm only losing control.
हाँ भैया. कहीं भी चलेगा, ले लो लेफ्ट.
I like losing control. Losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My body's focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go.
हाँ भैया. हाँ नेट पे डालूंगा.
I'm feeling my flow. My body's focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
So yeah, this has been awesome, man. Like, bro, riding with basically autos, bikes. That's the plan for today. Let's see how things go from here. इस तरफ जा रहे हो? मैं पकड़ के चलेगा? Hitching a ride, bro. Hitching a ride like a pro.
Oh yeah. We talking about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she love me. Say she love the way my chain sitting comfortably. And of course it says my name if you wanna rate. To let you know who's finna blow. Always winning, check the scope. I'm only losing control.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed watching this, then make sure that you guys like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you do not do any of these stunts that I did, because one, they're very risky, and two, I had Keanu Reeves as John Wick and Tom Cruise as Ethan Hunt watching over me. Well, I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.